Hey guys, I wanted to do a quick weigh-in. I mentioned this in my unboxing video that I wanted to see how much this lathe weighs. And I said it weighed about, I would say it weighed around 7 to 8 pounds, just from picking it up. So I'm going to do a quick weigh-in to show you how much it weighs. And remember, I took these parts off, but I'm going to put the parts back on the machine, so because this is how I got it when I first got it. So I'm just going to put the parts back on here and see how much it weighed. Then I'm going to take the parts off and see how much it weighs. There we go. Oh, 7 pounds and 3 ounces. So yeah, that's not bad. So I said it was around 7 to 8 pounds. So yeah. So I'm going to take, okay, and this is the finished version of the lathe, so I'm just going to take the cross slide off and the risers and see how much it weigh without that. And again, this is like a standard, lathe. This is like the standard version that they have without the extra pieces. Turn the scale back on. Okay. Put it here. Oh, okay. 5 pounds and 13 ounces. So yeah, it's pretty it's pretty good for a lathe this size, because it's really small. So I'm gonna put this back on plus this. Yeah, 7 pounds and 3 ounces. So yeah, there it is. That's how much it weighs. So again, that's that's pretty heavy for a machine this size. Okay, so that's about it. So I'll make more videos and to show you guys how the lathe is coming along. So thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.